This is our, we're going to do a map view. We're going to look at these are some of the courses in Orlando that we just summoned up. Now, it's pretty common to see a map like this on many websites and many apps. What we end up having here is this Primo button here. So these are just about 50 golf courses in Orlando. And when you tap on the Primo button, what you're noticing now is you're going to start to see these numbers show up in here, right? These numbers are the availability at those golf courses right now.
Today.
And your date is set up in the top left there, correct?
Yeah, so this is Friday. So now if I'm just someone looking to think about playing golf, I can say, God, there's a lot of places I can play. Yeah, I got one down here and 25 here, and I might not be interested. I just of what course it is. I just want to know I can play.
Yep.
Right. That's the biggest part. Yes, we can choose the date. So, I mean, just to kind of show some of the power here, I'm going to choose the 17th tomorrow. Now it becomes like, you know what? Yes, we can play. And then I can go to, one of these tabs here or these and, just, tap on it. And here's those tee times. I can scroll through these tee times and I say, oh, the 950s looks pretty good. And I come right here. We have, a little, placard for the golf course. And then
let me ask you on that. It looks like you've got some golf course detail in there. Obviously, you've got the logo, but you've got some golf course detail in there. What's your source of information for that?
So it's our golf course database. So this is all coming from the Apparition Golf Course database. Yep.
Mike, what's the source for the Apparition Golf Course database?
IGDB.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you also pull in some information directly from obviously SMB Golf gets information directly from the golf course website. Yeah. I guess the point I'm trying to make is, again, the golf course website ends up being the source of truth for the golf course. And if the golf course website isn't maintained properly, as a golf course operator, you're going to have erroneous information making its way out onto the web, into AI models, et cetera, et cetera.
Right. Yeah. I mean, the other secret sauce, in this underlying data is that in our database for each golf course is, not only things like the name of the golf course, the address, the number of holes, the scorecard data, but also some very specific data in terms of, this is a course that uses 4UP for its booking engine. And within the 4UP system, here's the 4UP course ID and the 4UP, I know there's 3 attributes for 4UP that you need in order to properly query for availability. So there's that whole infrastructure of data, which is different for each of the 15 different tee sheet systems that we can currently query.